Strategic case study is one of the most interesting subjects in the ICAG Level 3 examination. Now, since the subject was introduced in the revised syllabus from November 2019, many students have struggled to pass the exam. The reason is that the case study is a subject that must be studied in a structured format with practice questions along the line to ensure that you know how to answer questions, how to structure your answers out, and most importantly, how to express yourself and apply the various modules to be able to pass the examination. But one of the things that people do is to sit down, do nothing, and wait for the precinct to be released so they can attend all manner of intervention classes in the hope that they will pass the exam. But that is not how case study must be studied. In our program for the case study, what we do is to walk you through the entire syllabus with practice questions, assignments, and you are going to be held accountable week by week so that you can really appreciate the syllabus and understand everything in the syllabus, know how to answer questions when they are given, and most importantly, go into the exam hall and pass the examination. Listen. Case study is a practical paper, and if you know how to study, if you know how to structure yourself out, if you know how to apply the key models to the questions and how to answer the questions, I can guarantee you, you will no longer fail case study and you go in there, write the exams and pass the examination. Remember, throughout the 12 weeks, you are going to be going through the entire syllabus. You are going to be held accountable. Assignment and practice questions are going to be done during our lectures before the precinct will come, and by that time you'll be in a better position to understand the case study, go into the exam hall, answer the question and pass the examination. Click the link below this video, enroll in the strategic case study course to study under my mentorship. Let me hold your hand, assist you, hold you accountable throughout the next 12 weeks so I can assist you to prepare well for the examination, pass the exams, and most importantly, become successful. I'll see you during our live calls.